This is not financial advice, it's not legal advice for entertainment, educational purposes only, and everything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm so you get the videos I put them out, see what I'm thinking, see how I'm analyzing that data. Listen, JPMorgan quietly settles a whistleblower case involving charges of keeping 2 sets of books and improper payments to Tony Blair. Okay? Yo, this is crazy. This is just crazy that the fraud and corruption never ends, and every single bank on Wall Street, every single hedging in Wall Street seems to be involved in criminal activity. And then all they do is settle civil cases, and then they just keep doing business as usual. I mean, this is crazy. Okay, Williams charged in her lawsuit that JPMorgan was keeping 2 sets of books and effectively made a mockery out of the U.S. Department of Justice by brazenly floating the non-prosecution agreement it had signed with the Justice Department in a previous case. It came out in her deposition testimony, which is part of the court record, that one of the people being paid under the allegation of the bank keeping the 2 sets of books was Tony Blair, the former Prime Minister of the UK. Now, understand what's going on here. JPMorgan, in 2016, signed a non-prosecution agreement with the Department of Justice. And the Department of Justice gave them a pass. And instead of these guys taking that pass and then following the law, what did they do? They started robbing and stealing again. And in order to hide the fact that they were robbing and stealing again and paying heads of states in Europe, they kept 2 sets of books. One that they would present to the Department of Justice, and another set of books that contained what was really going on. I mean, this is the craziest thing in the world. And they settled the case as a civil suit. Did the Department of Justice go after them, to go after them criminally, to put them in jail for this? No. The Department of Justice is giving them a free pass. So, 2016, they entered an agreement with the Department of Justice, and the Department of Justice waives prosecution and gives them a pass, gives them a break. They violate that waiver of prosecution. They violate it. They're breaking the law again. And the only thing that happens is a civil suit. How is that a deterrent to the criminal activities? It makes no sense to me. If they can just pay money and continue breaking the law, how can we expect justice? How can we expect a fair and transparent market when these bad actors continue to break the law with no consequences? And the crazy thing is, here's what the lawyer for the plaintiff said. The lawyer for the plaintiff is arguing that this is a miscarriage of justice. They're arguing it's a miscarriage of justice. Okay, because they believe that they were ready to go to trial, but because they offered such a great settlement, they accepted the settlement. But they believe it's a miscarriage of justice on the American people. And I have to agree. Okay, the law firm representing Williams is Vladeck and Raskin and Clara PC, which describes itself as follows. Because we are prepared to take this case to trial, we are frequently successful in negotiation resolutions for our clients short of litigation. In fact, with some of our biggest successes are settlements you will not find on our website or in the reported decisions. The business model might be good for plaintiffs seeking a monetary settlement in order to get on with their lives and the bottom line of lawyers, but it subverts the public interest in seeing actual justice served against a powerful mega bank and serial lawbreaker on Wall Street. So what the law firm is saying is that JPMorgan is a serial lawbreaker. They continue to break the law. They continue to subvert justice, and nobody holds them accountable. I mean, how can we expect a fair and transparent market when these bad actors can continue breaking the law, and nobody holds them accountable? Nobody puts them before. I mean, it's just outrageous to me. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe on our YouTube algorithm, and tell me what you think about JPMorgan having negotiated a waiver of prosecution in 2016. In order to get around that waiver of prosecution, they kept two separate books. One with what was really going on, and one what they wanted the Justice Department to see. And now they settled this case out of court, and the Justice Department is giving them another pass. It's the craziest thing in the world. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe button. I appreciate y'all on this journey with me. God bless.